I've spent a lot of time speaking to a lot of builders and people in construction. They're all struggling. It doesn't mean something's broken. You just need to implement something to change the system. Life before Trade Mastermind. Unclear. Yeah, very unsure in what direction I needed to take the company. The improvements I've seen since I've been at Trade Mastermind, the structuring of my business, better delegation. And it does, I'm not gonna lie, before it's even getting there and I'm recognizing this is how you see the patterns. It doesn't mean something's broken. You just need to implement something to change the system. The insight from Paul and Joe, from them being in my shoes, it's not just some guy in a suit telling you this is how it's done without doing it themselves. So the proof's in the pudding. I've spent a lot of time speaking to a lot of builders and people in construction. They're all struggling. They survive more than thrive because they have no direction on where they're going. I would recommend Trade Mastermind, and that is because it has helped me in the short time I've been here, so it could help you.